Here are the steps to house train a puppy. Feed and take your puppy outside at the same times every day to help develop a routine. Keep an eye on your puppy at all times and immediately take them outside when they show signs of needing to go potty, such as whining, sniffing, or circling. Take your puppy to the same spot every time they need to go potty, so they can associate it with the task. Praise and reward your puppy immediately after they go potty in the designated area to reinforce good behavior. Avoid using punishment or scolding for accidents, as this can increase anxiety and decrease the effectiveness of training. Instead, clean up accidents thoroughly and provide more supervision. As your puppy becomes more reliable, gradually increase their freedom, but continue to supervise and take them outside regularly. It is important to be patient and consistent during the training process, and to understand that accidents are normal. With time and practice, your puppy will learn to associate going potty outside with positive reinforcement and will become fully house trained.